What up, YouTube? What's up? What's up? What's up? Y'all know where I am. Back at Exclusive Auto Spa with my boy Chawn, Southern Style Customs. I just hit him up. I'm gonna be in and out today because I can't stay long. I'm actually working myself today. But the '69 Grand Prix, he started laying some coats down. I missed the base coat, but he just put some of the bluish purple or something down. I'm gonna let you see that because he got another process that he's doing that I hadn't seen anybody do who paint. So I'm walking here, let him explain it some, and he say the clear coat just came in. The clear one's supposed to be here until tomorrow. So let's go in here, see what the homie got going on, man.
Welcome to Whips Most Wanted, where you find the most wanted whips.
And look, it's a lot of traffic out today. Normally I don't have no problems getting here, but today, man, I couldn't pull out in traffic for all the folks out. So I guess maybe people had to go back to work. I think the beer flu then made people miss so many bills, they gotta go start putting them hours back in. So what up? What up? Oh shoot. What's happening, homie?
What's do? What's up, YouTube?
Alright, we back again in the lab. The mad scientist in here cooking up some things, man.
Yeah, man.
Cleaning up at the same time.
Yeah, we clean it up. See, we got the Grand Prix, got the color laid on now.
Yes, indeed.
Finna get ready to lay down some clear coat.
Man, look at all that, bro. He done took the car apart to paint it. Some people just do the door jams and outside. Yeah, the door jam's cool. But how many guys taking the car apart? You feel me, man? Well, you done dissected this thing, ain't it? Yes, sir.
Turn on it, man. Y'all check it out. We got it stripped all the way down. All the way down.
Okay.
You know, that's where your money come in.
Oh, okay. Hey, that's how you can tell who's spending and who ain't, huh?
Right.
Yeah, you spend some money to take a whole car apart.
Yeah, make it look factory.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, look, man, I ain't gonna hold up too much of the time, man. Give me a walkthrough, man. Let me know what's going on.
Yeah. Right now on this step here, we like I said, we just got the color laid out, as you can see. And it's been drying for a few days. You know, waiting on clear to come in. Right now, like I say, since it's been drying for a few days, we went ahead and re-scuffed it with like some kind of 1,500, 2,000, just to kind of give it a nice little stretch to it, so the clear can bite and knock out any trash and stuff. So just give it a nice smooth finish when that clear get on now.
And see, that's something I don't hear a lot of people doing, man.
Yeah, it's that's a little step just to kind of knock out any little imperfection that's in the paint.
Yeah.
Before you put the clear on. It's just kind of like a little extra step. A lot of people don't do it, especially when you working for time. You know, you don't really worry about that. You buff it out at the end.
Mm-hmm.
But we ain't in no rush, you know. So we just taking all the little extra little steps.
So
you know, the less work at the end, basically. You know.
So in other words, what you're saying is, if you want it done right, don't rush them and spend your money right?
That's it.
Spend some money and don't rush them.
Don't rush.
Okay. Okay.
Thing, you know?
Patience is the key.
Let this stuff do its thing, man. You know, let the paint do its thing.
All right.
Rush.
And then maybe they'll take your car apart. You know what I'm saying? Because I know everybody paint guys are not taking the car apart. Real talk, man.
Everybody want their car painted right. Just sand it down and paint it, man. Just sand it and paint it. That's it.
All
okay,
right.
What's up with that? You know, I don't know.
Well, you know what?
We
That's
give,
called.
We give you what you want. But
Look, we call that half stepping over here. Half-assing it, half stepping.
Just paint my car. You ready to ride? I gotta ride, man.
Exactly.
Look, man, you want your car done right, man. You know, you want the stuff to last. You know, we gonna make it last for you.
So in other words, it ain't gonna be no clear coat peeling up off of here. None of that. Okay.
Yeah, that stuff on there. It's stuck on there. Make sure that clear gonna stick on there. You know, so.
Yeah, I see you got your gloves on, man.
Yeah, man, I don't want to touch this car.
Yeah.
You know, I'm cleaning it up right now. I don't want to touch it with my hand or nothing to get any oil or nothing on there.
You know what, speaking of oil, I saw you putting some degrees on there.
Yeah, that's to clean it off. just to kind of get any little surface contaminant that they got on there, because the car been sitting up, and with it being in the open air, you know, anything to fly in, any type of little oil in the air, silicones in the air.
So you just making sure everything A1.
Yeah, you know, because we washing cars at the same time, you know, chemicals be flying around, so just trying to make sure everything nice and clean, so we won't have no hiccups when we go to this next step.
Definitely respect it. And look, man, what made me want to run around here so quick, because I got to my office, I'm working, and the first thing I do, I log into my account, and I see where you done posted a video, man. What's your YouTube again, man?
It's SSC_JXN. You can check me out, and like I say, stay up to date on some of the bills. You know, give me a follow, subscribe, you know, just support.
And same thing on your Instagram too, right?
Yeah, the same thing on Instagram, SSC_JXN.
Alright.
Like I say, man, you know, it's free to support. You know, you ain't gotta do nothing but hit a button, you know. So
that's what's up, man.
check me out, you know what I'm saying? Give me some input, give me some insight. You know, you see me doing something wrong, let me know. You know, I always like to try new things. So, hey, you know, you got a different way of doing something, just let me know. You know what I'm saying? I'll try it. It worked for me, you know, it worked for me. I'm gonna give credit where credit due. So
look, constructive criticism is always welcome. Leave the negativity at the door. We don't need you hating in the comments. If you got something bad to say, have something good to say right behind it. You feel me?
Productive, you saying, you know, I ain't really gonna pay attention to it.
Okay.
I don't mind, you know what I'm saying, people giving me insight or people telling me I'm wrong, you know, I don't mind that.
That's what's up.
At all, you know.
Alright. We all trying to help each other around here, man.
That's it.
Definitely. Now look at the homie, bruh. Okay.
Yeah, we want to see, man. We gonna put it out there, let y'all check that out.
Man, we already know it.
Is, nice on that
Yeah, man, and see, I can see the blue now, but man, they give me so much purple in it though, man. Yeah, it give me so much purple.
Purple flip to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So right now, it don't look wet because he scuffed it, but you can definitely see how smooth it is. And like I say, he doing a process or a different step that I normally don't see a lot of paint guys talk about. I see them, you know, sand it, spray it, clear it, and call it a day. And he doing something that, man, I feel like I'm getting educated right now. So that's one thing I like about doing these car channels.
It's a lot of little different steps, you know. This just help too. It help the clear coat kind of bond to the paint.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because at the same time, your paint gonna cap out. So once you let your paint dry out, it'll kind of cap out and it have a smooth surface to it. If you let it sit for too long, your clear ain't gonna just stick to it because it got that little cap. So once you sand it down, give it a little scratch, the clear coat will lock in and bind. You know what I'm saying? So,
that's what's up, man. Look, I feel like I'm learning something. I don't.
You know, a lot of times people spray it wet on wet because everything's still wet, so everything's still melting together.
So that's still cool then.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, okay.
Spray it wet on wet, it's just gonna lay on each other, like, you know, it's just gonna melt in together. But this right here kind of give it, just like, you know, it helps it lock, it helps it bond on top of it.
Okay.
Versus like melting into each other.
That's what's up, bro.
So each little layer, you know, have its own thing. And then once we clear it, we're gonna go back and let that dry out. We're gonna come back and re-clear it. Probably do like 600, 800.
Yeah.
Come back and re-clear over the top of it again. Give it some more coats.
Man, I'm gonna be honest with you, man. Just coming through here filming you, man, and being around the vehicles, I'm learning so much about cars. Like, I always thought I was a car fanatic, man, but like I'm really learning some things. Just coming through messing with y'all.
Take it to a whole new depth, huh?
Yeah, man, like I'm really getting educated over here. And what I like about it is when you learning from somebody who know what they talking about. You know what I'm saying? Last thing. Yeah, but look, you know enough to do this right here. You know, man, dude done took the car apart, man. Like I don't see people taking the doors off. Well, I take that back. I see professionals on TV do it. I see a few of the mainstream professionals online do it, but as far as just, you know, people that I come in contact with on the regular, man, I don't want to see it, man.
Regular guy.
Yeah, and look, and and don't get me wrong, I ain't knocking nobody, and I ain't saying that they won't do it. They look, but look, no, y'all doing it. But what I'm saying is, the clientele might not want to pay for the extra work.
It's the time.
Yeah, because
the time it takes to do that. People don't want to pay that labor, man.
Exactly. So,
You know,
like
you
say,
gotta cut corners and you gotta do this, but
you trying to fit it within a budget.
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't want nobody out there thinking I'm knocking, cause I know a lot of paint guys, a lot of people I'm cool with, but I don't see them go this far. But the customers might not be paying for it either.
Right.
You know, they might say, man, just change the color, just flip the color. You know, they on the budget, but at the same time, when they tell you just flip the color, they gonna go out in the public and point out all the flaws too.
Right.
But they ain't gonna tell nobody, I only paid X amount of dollars for it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, they pay for that part.
Yeah.
Say that. They say, oh man, that's my color. Hey, you do this.
Look, you mess around and see a car in the Dow Jones ain't painted, man. I look at the customer, I'm like, hey, did you pay him to do all that?
Exactly.
Sure, you point it out.
You got people don't care about it. I don't care about the Dow Jones, man.
Alright, but let them get it back and people start pointing it out.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, well, man, you know, he ain't paying. I don't know why he ain't paying.
You know why he ain't paying him, you ain't pay that dude.
Pay the man, pay the painter, man.
Okay, pay the painter, give him time to do his job, man. It's a craft over here. Alright, well look, man. Look, I gotta get back to work. I just had to come through and stop. Like I said, man, y'all follow his page.
Yeah,
I saw the
out.
progress that he posted. I was like, let me grab this camera and go and run on around here real quick.
Yeah, we're gonna get y'all some more footage. You know, probably ain't gonna get none in the booth because that dust and that old spray be floating around. We can't get on the equipment.
That's what's up.
But we'll catch you, you know, once we get through. The last little kind of final step where it's drying and stuff. You can come in and check it out. But yeah, you know, we don't wanna mess the equipment up.
Alright, man.
That dust and old spray get everywhere.
Well, look, bro, you know how it is. I would shake your hand, but we got the beer flu going on.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
You ain't got it, but we just taking the proper precautions.
Yeah, you know, everybody got quarantine.
Look, he just gave me a stack full of gloves too, man. I walked in and dude blessed me today.
We quarantined in the shop. So.
That's what's up, man. So look, man, I'm gonna get on back around the corner, man. I do appreciate you.
All right, man. Y'all can say y'all check my boy out, give my boy a follow, subscribe to his channel.
Yes, indeed.
You know,
indeed.
you know, stay tuned for some more hot cars out here. You know, bring you all the heat. So,
Okay.
y'all,
And this is gonna be some heat, some pressure.
yes, sir.
Boy, I can't wait till he get done. All right, bro. I'm gonna go ahead on and end this real quick, man. Like I said, I just want to stop through, holler my boy real quick, man. I'm on my way back to the shop. Until next time, peace.
Alright, once again, Whip's Most Wanted fam, please like, subscribe, comment, and ring the bell.
Dirty cars.